Hi guys, welcome back. Y'all know what time it is. It's getting cold. It's November, so I was inspired today to do a pan dulce and cafe makeup look. So y'all know, Mexicans love pan dulce in the winter time or fall when it starts getting cold out. So I was like, it's kind of cute. The breads, like, look, I'm gonna try and draw the concha, churro, empanada, oreja, marranito, coffee, all of those on my eye. I hope I can draw. If I don't know, I thought it's kind of cute. It fits the theme right now, like the weather, everything. So I think I'm just gonna start by drawing a crease and then drawing each bread with this liner. Oh yeah, I forgot. I fixed the mirror since, I didn't have super glue. I had to figure it out how to glue it. So I just put tape in the bottom of this and it works. I thought, because when it felt like that, I didn't even want to look at it. It took a while for me to grab it and throw it out. But then I saw, oh wait, it's not broken. So yesterday I was making a big deal out of nothing because I thought the mirror was gonna shatter, and if you look at it, you know what it means. I was panicking, so I didn't really check. And then when I checked to pick it up, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm exaggerating. It wasn't even cracked, so I think it's good. Even though it fell, it doesn't really count it fell because, I don't know, it's just me. So yeah, but now when I use it, I have to hold it like this, touching the mirror so it won't fall. So yeah, okay, now I'm gonna start. Okay, so, oops, never mind. I'm gonna set the base with a white eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna use the white one. Oops, I forgot to film this part, so I'm just filling everything in with the white shadow. Right.